Hello, students. Hope you all are well and attending your online classes. So, today I am going to start Maths chapter number 7, which is numbers from 21 to 50. Students, in this chapter, we will know about the numbers and the number names from 21 to 50. In your previous chapter, you have already learned the numbers 1 to 20. So, in this chapter, we will learn numbers 21 to 50. Numbers from 21 to 50. Numbers 21 to 50 we will understand with the help of some examples. Here you can see group of 10 burgers and again group of 10 burgers. It means total 20 burgers. You will write 2 tens and 1 burger you will write 1 once. Now the number is 21 and the spelling is TWENTYONE 21. Second example, here you can see group of 10 chicks and again group of 10 chicks. It means total 20 chicks. Means 2 tens. Again you can see 2 chicks. You will write 2 ones. And the number is 22. The spelling of 22 is TWENTYTWO 22. Same you will understand here 2 tens plus 1 one 21. 2 tens plus 2 ones 22. 2 tens plus 3 ones 23. 2 tens plus 4 ones 24. 2 tens plus 5 ones 25. 2 tens plus 6 ones is equal to 26. 2 tens plus 7 ones is equal to 27. 2 tens plus 8 ones is equal to 28. 2 tens plus 9 ones is equal to 29. And last 3 tens plus 0 ones is equal to 30. You will understand with the help of this example. You can see here group of 10 Santas, group of 10 Santas and again group of 10 Santas. It means total 30 Santas. You will write 3 tens and 0 ones. The number is 30 and the spelling is THIRTY 30. Next example, group of 10 stars, again group of 10 stars and at the below group of 10 stars. Total 30 stars. We'll write 3 tens and here only 1 star you will write 1 once and the number is 31. Spelling is THIRTY 31. 31. In your book also you can see 3 tens plus 1 one 31. 3 tens plus 2 ones 32. 3 tens plus 3 ones 33. 3 tens plus 4 ones 34. 3 tens plus 5 ones 35. 3 tens plus 6 ones, 36. 3 tens plus 7 ones, 37. 3 tens plus 8 ones, 38. 3 tens plus 9 ones, 39. And last, 4 tens plus 0 ones is equal to 40. 40 you can understand with the help of this example. You can see group of 10 fish, again group of 10 fish, group of 10 fish, and here also group of 10 fish. Total 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, 40. You will write 4 tens plus 0 ones. Number is 40 and the spelling is FORTY, 40. Next example. Group of 10 cats, group of 10 cats, group of 10 cats, and at last group of 10 cats. Total 40 cats. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, 40. And here you can see 1 cat. So for 40 you will write 4 tens, and for 1 cat you will write 1 ones. The number is 41 and the spelling is FORTY, 40, ONE, 1, 41. In your book you can see 4 tens plus 1 1, 41. 4 tens plus 2 ones, 42. 4 tens plus 3 ones, 43. 4 tens plus 4 ones, 44. 4 tens plus 5 ones, 45. 4 tens plus 6 ones, 46. 4 tens plus 7 ones, 47. 4 tens plus 8 ones, 48. 4 tens plus 9 ones, 49. And at last 5 tens plus 0 ones is equal to 50. 50 you can understand with the help of this example. You can see group of 10 oranges, again group of 10 oranges, group of 10 oranges, here also group of 10 oranges, and here also group of 10 oranges. It means total 50 oranges are there. For 50 you will write 5 tens and 0 ones. The number is 50 and the spelling is FIFTY, 50. Or I hope you all have understood this chapter nicely. Now there is some exercises in your book that you have to complete. First one is write the missing numbers. You can see some numbers are given and some are missing. The missing one you have to complete. You can see 1, you have to write 2, and then 3, 4, 5. In the same way you have to complete this exercise. And second one, counting numbers are written in reverse order. Write the missing numbers. In this you can see the numbers are written in reverse order, means backward counting. That also you have to complete. After that, numbers and number names. Write the numbers. Here you can see left side number names are given and right side you have to write the correct numbers. One is already completed, first one. Second, 25, you will write 2, 5, 25. In the same way, you will complete this exercise. Next page, on page number 65, write the number names. Here you can see left side, number names are not given, numbers are given. So you have to write the number names of these numbers. 47, you have to write the spelling of 47, 43, 50. So in the same way, you will complete this exercise. And at last, join the dots from 1 to 50 and see what you have drawn. This you have to complete, you will complete. Now, you have to complete your copy work also. As you all are knowing, first you have to draw two margins. Left side you will write date and right side classwork. Then unit 7, numbers, and then you will write name of this lesson, numbers from 21 to 50. Then leave one line and start question 1. Write the numbers. Now start writing. You can see numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. I have written in margin. And that number names 22, 47, 31, 50, 28, 33 and 49. And on right side, you have to write the numbers. Same you have to write in your copy. Here also you can see question number 2. Write the number names. First you will write serial number 1. Then you will write number 40, 40 in full block. And then spelling of 40, F-O-R-T-Y. After that, second number 2. Number is 36. And spelling of 36, T-H-I-R-T-Y-S-I-X, 36. In the same way, you have to complete till 9. Now, question number 3. Write the missing numbers. In this question, you can see some numbers are given and some are missing. The missing one you have to complete. Write 1 and the numbers that are written 21 and then 1 blank, then 23. After that, 2 numbers are missing. So how you will write 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. Next, number 2. Here you can see 38, 39. You have to start from 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. That also you have to complete till number 6. Complete your copy nicely, neat and clean, and draw line after each and every answer. Thank you.